Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where speaking English is simple, fun, and a natural part of your daily life. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Charlie. And today, we're going to make English super easy for you.
Yes. No stress, no difficult grammar, just simple English you can actually use.
Exactly. Because today we're learning 50 simple English sentences for daily life.
And not just sentences, we'll use them in real conversations, real situations.
So you don't just learn English, you start speaking it.
So relax
Focus.
and repeat after us. Okay, Charlie, tell me honestly, are you a morning person?
Not really. I love sleeping.
Same here. But still, we all wake up, right?
Yes. So let's start. I wake up early.
Or maybe I wake up late.
Next, I get out of bed.
Sometimes, very slowly. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
I take a shower.
Now let's imagine a real situation. Charlie, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up late. I drink coffee. And I check my phone.
Checking phone is very common. Now you answer. What do you do in the morning?
Now you are at home, relaxing.
Best feeling. I am at home. I feel tired.
I need some rest.
After a long day, I'm watching TV.
I am using my phone.
Now cooking time. I am cooking food.
The food is ready.
Mini conversation. What are you doing?
I am cooking.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Now you try. What are you doing?
Now let's talk like real people.
Yes. Real English. How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am working and
Let's make it more real. Hey, Charlie, how are you today?
I'm good. Just a little tired.
What are you doing?
I'm recording a podcast.
Now you speak and how are you? I am fine.
Let's go outside.
Shopping time. How much is this?
It is too expensive.
Do you have a discount?
I like this.
I don't like that. Funny situation. How much is this?
1,000 rupees.
Oh no, too expensive. Bye. Now the day is ending. I come back home. I feel tired.
I have dinner. I talk with my family.
I watch a movie.
I go to bed. Good night.
Now listen to a full day story. I wake up early. I go to work. I come back home. I have dinner. I go to bed.
This is your daily life. In English.
If you feel shy speaking English, that's okay.
Everyone starts as a beginner.
Just speak. Every day, little by little.
And one day, you will speak confidently.
Great job today. You practiced real English for daily life.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, subscribe.
And tell us in the comments. I am learning English every day.
We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.